episode, whatever, Windows 11. I already had one. This is part 2 of Windows 11. So I said I'd been able to install, clean install Windows 11 on an old unsupported computer, and that worked fine. Now I wanted to try to install Windows 11 on a computer that had existing Windows 10 with applications and files, and I wanted the new install to leave my existing applications and files. Okay, I have accomplished that. It is possible to do it. It's not that complicated, but you might want to have somebody else do it for you. It does require that you download a special little script to run to change your registry so that Windows 11 ignores the incompatibility of the processor, the trusted platform management, and the secure boot. If you have a computer that says this computer is not supported by Windows 11, you can get Windows 11 to upgrade your Windows 10 computer by a methodology. Now, this methodology, as I said, you have to download a script and run it first. That makes changes to your registry so that when Windows 11 starts up, it ignores those factors that have been keeping it from running. And then you have the option to tell it whether you want a clean boot or keep all of your programs and files. And once you do that, what I did was download from Microsoft an ISO file to the hard drive of the computer that I'm upgrading. Okay. Once it was there, once I'd run the script, then all I did was mount that ISO file, and that's a Windows File Explorer command. And then I ran setup, and it's proceeding along. So there is a way to get Windows 11 on your old unsupported PC. If you want a clean install, then you better make backups of all your data, and you have to reload your programs. If you want an upgrade to it, that is also possible. It's a little trickier, and I suggest somebody else does it for you, but you can check. There's plenty of videos around on how to do it. I followed some instructions that I found. They weren't as clear as they should be. Again, the process is download from Microsoft the ISO version that goes directly onto your hard drive. Okay. Then you have to get this little script called Git Hub and download it. Run it as an administrator. It changes registry entries. Then you mount the ISO file that you downloaded from Microsoft, and then you run setup, and then you tell it that I want to keep all my files and programs, and away it goes. So it's not overly complex. You could do it if you're comfortable with doing it. Again, make a backup before. But I have proven to myself it is possible. Now, once I get it on this one, I will try the same procedure on another laptop I have, make sure everything works right there, and then I'll eventually move on to the other PCs I have that are not supported by Windows 11 via the normal Update Windows button that you're familiar with in Windows 10. That's all I got for today. I don't know what this is, but I'll post it when I add to YouTube. It's part 2 of Windows 11. And that's it for today. I don't even know to 20th of January. I've been really busy, so I haven't had time to put any new ones up. And I got nothing new for you today in terms of jokes or any other entertainment forms. But, let's see. How's that? I don't have a hat on today. Here we go. And then remember, this is going on up here all the time. Oh, I was looking into something about a new drug that came out, and all the drugs are related to up here. They say, we think it works by doing this. And it's interesting, you know, drugs on depression, anxiety, and so on, they think it works by doing this. Anyway, by following that down into the research, it talked about all these special chemistries of between things and how they create various complex chemistry in the brain. And it's a mess. It's a real mess up there. So again, it's my theory, I'm sure you can research it, that like similar memories linked together based on chemical signatures. I don't know whether they get electrically attached to each other or attract to each other or what, but obviously it's really complex brain chemistry up here, and they're still researching it and learning it and so on. But anyway, uh, uh, 47 times 53 bananas is 14 yardsticks. Okay, that's it for today.